evening, guys. This is Nick with Carvet Mopar for Life. Just to let you know that the supercharger lid that I ordered from MPI Mechanical Power Incorporated has come in today. I ordered it on last Sunday and it came in today, Friday. So it took about a week to get here. It's going to replace the factory supercharger lid. It is red. First time I haven't opened it yet, but supposedly, again, it's red, give it a little bit more color, and it's actually supposed to help with the supercharger whine, make it a little bit more distinctive, and also, I think it's supposed to give it a little bit more power just for the fact that I guess that it helps with the cooling. Comes bubble wrap. That's what it kind of looks like now. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the bubble wrap, show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, that's what it looks like. As you can tell, it's power coated, red, and again, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the gaskets on the C7 with new ones just to be on the safe side. I'm gonna show you that's what it looks like on the outside, and it's gonna look really good. Again, it's power coated. Let me show you what it looks like on the other side. All right, guys, that's what it looks like on the inside of the supercharger lid. Looks pretty good. Made in USA, good quality so far. Gonna be the gasket here, gasket there, and of course around there. So I'm still waiting for the gasket to come in and also for the throttle body. And then once I get those, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and show you guys. All right, so far I'm happy with it. Good job, MPI. All right guys, here's another close-up of it. Still in the package. So that's pretty cool, look at it, man. Definitely imported, that's awesome. All right. Super excited to put it on. Should be 4 bolts to hold it in and a clip. You already see it right there, that's right, the card, and the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty sure these are pretty simple deal. All right, guys, and we'll see what the difference is. I don't expect much. I know they advertise, you know, like I think 11 horsepower and I think 14 pounds for the torque just for the throttle body and a quicker response. I think same thing for the lid because of better airflow. So we'll see. I guess what I'm hoping for is no check engine lights. Both of them indicate that you don't need a tune for both of them. I again have the supercharger lid in that box, which I showed you earlier. A lid gasket, because I'm gonna go ahead and replace all that and not reuse the used ones, even though I said that you can. So super excited about it. Should come in. My understanding, it makes the throttle response a lot better on the supercharger. I guess on the supercharger lag, it's not really a lag, but I guess on the throttle lag. So it should make it a little bit more responsive. So like I said, I'm super excited about it to come in. And excited about having a powder coated supercharger lid. It's gonna be red. So again, I showed you in the pictures as well. So stay tuned, guys. I am about to do, once you come in, I'm gonna do the install. So, all right, super excited about it. All right, factory 2017 supercharger lid, before picture, and I'm gonna show you after picture. Hey guys, about to take the throttle body off. I already got the clip out. It's right here, but it goes right there. There's a red clip that you pull back right here and pulls right out. So now you just gotta do is take the 4 bolts out. Should be able to get the throttle body off. All right guys, here's what the 2 throttle bodies look like side to side. Pretty sweet LT4 right there, and this is the OEM. So you see one is ported, one is not. All the connectors, everything else, housing is the same. So that's what they look like side by side. Excellent customer service. No complaints at all. All right. check engine light. So what I installed today with help of my dad, got the supercharger lid, aftermarket lid, and I have the throttle body ported, and I'm gonna go ahead and link both. Both people has been great. No issues with them. I did do the gaskets, new gaskets, just to make sure everything was good, except for the forward top. That's because I had some issues with the dealership not getting the part in and fortunately line a couple times. But I haven't got a chance to super cold today. You know, the tires are not warm, so I haven't got on it to really kind of tell you the butt feeling. But in the future, I'll do another video showing you guys what the end results is. But I like the look of it. It looks really good compared with the interior. So, get a better shot of it. So, power coated, aftermarket LT4 supercharger lid. And also did the throttle body has been ported. And so basically, you have the biggest thing to do if you guys, the torque for the bolts are 89, and the torque for the throttle body bolts are 88. So it kind of help you guys out. And I did reuse the, actually I'll take it back here, get a close-up look of it. I did have new gaskets. The only ones I didn't find is there's 4 O-ring gaskets at the top. The reason why I didn't get those is because GM kind of messed me around. The dealership that I dealt with, they for about 2 weeks trying to wait on that part to come in, only for them not to come in, and they pretty much probably won't be doing business with them again. So I'll just leave it at there. I won't name any names, but so I don't really give credit to poor customer service. But I will get credit for the LT4 lid turned out super nice, and also the throttle bodies. Great job, great customer service. And what I'll do next is go ahead and show you guys the companies that I bought it from. Recommend them A+ for both of them. Customer service outstanding. And the next video is probably going to be me driving the car, let you guys know what it sounds like from on a throttle. But that's what it looks like, guys. Looks really, really good. Alright guys, this is where I ordered the Billet LT4 supercharger lid from. Gonna have mine powder coated in that color, red. And just kind of give you their information. MPI, first time doing business with them. Outstanding customer service, shipped on time. That's what they put on there. Actually, I have a 2017 ZO6. 11 brewing horsepower, 14 brewing torque. Again, I haven't been able to drive it because it's super cold here in Houston. And I'll get to it whenever it warms up a little bit and it gets some drive time. So that's the lid, and give you their information there. That's the president. And on to the throttle body. Mamo Motorsports, Tony has been outstanding. Sent an email on Saturday, probably Saturday evening, Saturday night. Respond the same day. Let me know that it's going to be shipped out that Monday. Kept his word. It was shipped out that Monday. Got it on Thursday. And highly recommend them as well. So no check engine lights, no issues. I can't tell about the performance, but I know they said they increased the horsepower a little bit too. So once I can drive the car, I'll let you guys know. But anyway, give shout out to great customer service. And all right guys, hopefully I'll get do another video of when I'm actually driving the car. Take care.